Okay guys, so for today we're going to cover a new topic in rhythms. It's called triplets in simple meter. So that's squeezing 3/8 notes typically into the space of where 2/8 notes normally reside. We're going to do a little bit of minor mode practice in the melodies, and we're going to continue practicing melodies that feature the tritone leap of the dominant 7th chord. So for our prepared performance rhythm 1 here, we're going to see some triplets, which you can already spot in the middle of the exercise. We're in 4/4 meter, so the measures break down the middle. So we got a quarter note and 2/8 notes, followed by a quarter note and 2/8 notes, 4/8 notes and 4/8 notes, quarter note, quarter rest, triplet. Now for a triplet, I usually say triola. So for this example here, we have a quarter note and a triplet. So we can say ta, triola, ta, triola. That's both parts of that measure. Then for this measure, we have all triplets. So triola, 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 4 triolas. All right, now we have a quarter note and a quarter rest, and then 2/8 notes to lead us in to the next phrase. 2 quarters, 4/8 notes, quarter note, quarter rest, triplet, and now we're going to go forte. 2 quarter notes, 2 triplets, quarter note, quarter rest, 2/8 notes, back to piano dynamic. Quarter note, 2/8 notes, quarter note, triplet, so you can see the contrast between 2/8 notes and a triplet. Then all triplets in the last part, leading into the last measure, which is a quarter note, quarter rest, and then a single quarter rest, which is incomplete because the rest of the beat is in the first pickup measure. All right, let's set our metronomes to 120 and perform this.
Ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ti 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 ta. Triola ta, triola ta, triola 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 ta. Ti ti ta ta, ti 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 ta. Triola ta ta, triola triola ta. Ti ti ta, ti ti ta, triola 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 ta.
Okay, here we are for rhythm 2. Now we're in 3/4 meter, so those measures break down as 2 + 1. First measure, we have a quarter note and 2/8, followed by a triplet. 2/8 notes, triplet, and then going into 16th notes. So you get the exact, you could speed up level by level for this measure, from 8th notes to triplets to 16ths. 2, 3, 4. All right, we got 2 quarter notes, followed by an 8th and an 8th rest and an 8th note. 4 8th notes, followed by a triplet. 2/8 notes, triplet. 16th notes, there it is again, the speeding up one. 2 8th notes and a quarter note, 8th rest, 8th note, 2 8th notes and a triplet, 2 8th notes. 2 8th notes and a triplet, 4 16th notes, we have a crescendo, rest, 8th note, rest, 8th note, quarter note, 2 8th notes, and here's a triplet, 2 8th notes, triplet, 16th note, triplet, 16th note, 2 8th notes and a quarter, and then a 8th rest because the rest of that measure is in the pickup. All right, let's go ahead with a 66 metronome and perform this.
Ti ta, ti ti triola, ti ti triola, tiki tiki ta, ta. Ti 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 triola, ti ti triola, tiki tiki ti ti ta. Ti 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 triola, ti 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 triola, tiki tiki. Ti ta, ti ti triola, ti ti triola, tiki 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 triola, tiki tiki ti ti ta.
This time we have a minor mode etude. C minor is the key signature, and I've got a tonic triad outlined at the beginning. Do, sol, me, do. Then we have a little 5/7 with the tritone. Ti, fa, and then tonic me, do, and then we have a little scale going down in the minor. Do, te, le, sol. That's an important thing to have you learn. Descending scale in the minor. And then we have le, ti, which is a diminished seventh, going to do. Okay, let's practice this.
Do, sol, me, do, ti, fa, me, do, do, te, le, sol, fa, sol, le, ti, do.
All right, here we are now in F major with the bass clef. First thing we have here is 16th notes, first of all. So we're gonna do, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, sol, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, sol. So we're really focusing on 16th notes in these melodies, singing faster note values. Then the next part, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, sol, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, do. All right, so basically, yeah, singing with faster notes. But these are two very similar phrases, mostly stepwise motion. Any leaps are in the tonic triad, so it should be a piece of cake for you guys. Let's sing a little F scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. We'll set our metronomes to 58 and sing.
Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, sol, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, sol. Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, sol, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, do.
All right, now we're in D minor. Do, re, mi, re, sol. There's a dominant do, re, mi, re. Then we have the same beginning, do, re, mi, re, sol. There's a perfect fifth, right, between the E and the A. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Straight up scale. Now we have a little scale going down, which is kind of what we worked on in the etude. Do, ti, do, te, le, sol, le, sol. Do, ti, do, sol, la, ti, sol, do. All right, let us go ahead and sing this one.
Do, re, mi, re, sol. Do, re, mi, re. Do, re, mi, re, sol. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Do, ti, do, te, le, sol, le, sol. Do, ti, do, sol, la, ti, sol, do.